Now let's click on Notifications. Canvas includes a set of default notification preferences you can receive for your courses. Canvas notifications are sent out to your contact email or cell phone as listed in the account settings. However, you can change the default settings by setting your own notification preferences. Notifications are sent as one of 4 delivery types: Notify Me Right Away, Send Daily Summary, Send Weekly Summary, or Don't Send Me Anything. If you make a change, the change is made immediately to your account. If you want to see how a notification is defined, hover over a notification and an info box will appear. Notification settings apply to all of your courses as you cannot change settings for individual courses. In the global navigation menu, click on Courses, then All Courses. You will see a list of all of your past, present, and future courses as you continue to use Canvas. Click on the star to favorite a course. Favorited courses will show on your dashboard. Unstar to remove a course from the dashboard. Courses must be published for students to see the course card.